Hey there, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to another episode where we dive into the world of nutrition and wellness. Today, I'm diving into a hot topic: the best lunch foods to help you manage your blood sugar. Whether you're dealing with diabetes, pre-diabetes, or just looking to maintain steady energy levels throughout the day, these foods can make a big difference. Let's get straight to it. We have a fantastic lineup of delicious and nutritious options for you. First up, we have lentils. Packed with protein and fiber, lentils are slow digesting, which means they help keep your blood sugar steady. This makes them an excellent choice for anyone looking to avoid those mid-afternoon energy crashes. Plus, they're super versatile. Think soups, salads, or even veggie burgers. You can get creative with lentils and incorporate them into various dishes to keep your meals exciting and flavorful. Next, let's talk about yogurt. A perfect blend of carbs, protein, and fats, yogurt is fantastic for blood sugar regulation. The protein and fat content helps slow down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, providing a more gradual energy release. Just watch out for those added sugars. Many flavored yogurts can be loaded with extra sugar, which can spike your blood sugar levels. Opt for plain or Greek yogurt and throw in some fresh berries for natural sweetness. Berries are low in sugar and high in fiber, making them a perfect complement to yogurt. Now let's move on to salmon. This fish is not only rich in protein but also healthy fats, which are great for stabilizing blood sugar levels. Omega-3 fatty acids found in salmon have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity. Grill it, bake it, or toss it in a salad. You can't go wrong. Salmon is a versatile protein that can be paired with a variety of vegetables for a well-rounded meal. Moving on to chickpeas. Like lentils, chickpeas are full of fiber and protein, making them an excellent choice for blood sugar control. Hummus, anyone? This delicious spread can be used as a dip, a sandwich spread, or even a salad topping. Don't forget about sweet potatoes. These tasty tubers are high in fiber and potassium, both of which help regulate blood sugar. The fiber content slows down the digestion process, while potassium helps balance the effects of sodium on blood pressure. Baked, mashed, or air-fried sweet potatoes are a delicious addition to your lunch. They can be enjoyed in a variety of ways, making them a versatile and nutritious option. Finally, let's talk about avocados. Loaded with healthy fats and fiber, avocados have been linked to improved blood sugar and insulin levels. The monounsaturated fats in avocados can help reduce insulin resistance. Slice them on toast, add them to a salad, or just eat them straight up. Avocados are not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious, making them a great addition to any meal. So there you have it, 6 incredible lunch foods that can help you maintain better blood sugar levels. Incorporating these foods into your daily diet can lead to more stable energy levels and overall better health. Remember, a balanced lunch can make a huge difference in how you feel throughout the day. Thanks for tuning in. We hope you found these tips helpful and that they inspire you to make healthier lunch choices. If you found this helpful, hit the like, subscribe, and alert bell for more health tips from Peak Mind Provisions 369. See you next time. Stay healthy and happy.